So there are actually two different methods of segmentation that we're going to talk about. The primary method that we've covered this entire time is by having people opt in. Because remember, it's the role of the segmentation series to get people to opt into an engagement series, right? That's what we talked about the whole time. Remember, the segmentation series, you're taking people who are currently on your list, you're having them re-opt in to a new engagement series. It's what I've talked about from the very beginning. But there's actually a second method of segmentation that you're going to be seeing and we're going to be talking about that I haven't covered yet. And it's because it's a little bit advanced, it's a little bit confusing, and so I didn't want to talk about it until we got here at this point in the training, and now's when I'm going to explain it. So the first method of segmentation is cool. They go and they opt in to a new list. The second method is that they actually make a purchase. Now, I know if you go back to the machine, there's arrows that are pointing people from the segmentation bucket, and the arrows are only going up into the engagement series. But there's actually times where it's perfectly appropriate to send direct offers out to your segmentation list. If it's a low ticket offer, it's a really hot offer, maybe you just say, okay, for the next 3 days, I'm gonna mail straight to a sales letter or to a video sales letter. Or you might do, which is one of the campaigns that you're getting, you might do a flash sale, right? So if you're gonna do a flash sale to your list, and you're gonna say, go buy this thing, it's on sale for the next 72 hours only, you're not gonna say, okay, go opt in for this thing, and then after you've opted in, I'll have you buy something. Right? You're also, if you have a really hot offer, something that you know is converting really well, and it's, maybe it's one of the mid-range, or it's very, very low ticket, right? It's one of those tripwire offers. If you recall, we talked about the engagement series, how I said there's, there are some offers that are, like $1 sign, and I talked about how there's the $2 sign and the $3 sign, right? Remember that? So if it's this, $1 sign, kind of offer, then yeah, you can drive straight from a segmentation series directly to the purchase. They are segmenting them off. Now, in the event that they do that, they're going to go straight into the Ascension series, right? So it is possible to take somebody from your segmentation bucket to making a purchase, and then after they've made that purchase, they go into Ascension series. They essentially skipped the engagement series. And so I wanted to make sure that I created this video for you so that you understood that there's two ways to happen, because I know this is contrary to what I said before, and if you go back and you look at the machine diagram, it's contrary to what it shows there. But I knew that it would be confusing if I had arrows going all over the place. But I want you to understand that this formula, this method, this system, there are rules, but all of these rules can be broken. Right? When it's appropriate to just say, look, go buy this dang thing. Go buy it. If it's a low enough impulse buy, you don't have to get them into an engagement series ahead of time. I talked about in the engagement series this problem of people wanting to kill an ant with an atom bomb. If you've got a $7 product, or you're running a sale on what would normally be a high ticket product, and it's an amazing value, then you don't necessarily have to put them into an engagement series. Just ask them to buy something. And when they make that purchase, the act of purchasing does segment them out of your bucket. It segments them off into an Ascension series. Okay? So I just wanted to make sure you understand that. Segmentation promos can segment people off into an engagement series if they're opting into an engagement series list, or if you're making a direct promotion, either through a flash sale or, like I said, one of these direct promos. Right? If you're going to run a direct promo when appropriate, that's direct prom, there we go. Direct promo, then by all means, they're going to go right into that Ascension series. Okay, so keep that in mind. Don't become a legalist with this stuff, all right? Have fun with it. This machine is flexible so that you can move things around. So don't feel like you always have to have somebody re-opt in. If you got a killer offer, if you don't need to run them through a lengthy engagement series to get them to buy, and you say, now for the next 3 days, I'm just going to ask people to buy this thing, that's fine. That's great. You should do that. You absolutely should mix it up. So hopefully you now understand that there are two different methods of segmentation. There's the opt-in we've been talking about, and there's the direct purchase. So now when we go in and you see the different campaigns that we have for you, and you're wondering, hey, wait, this whole flash sale thing, that's not sending them to a landing page. It's not sending them to a place to opt in. What's going on? Now you know why.